Well, I'm back here at the classroom. I'm filming the Jacoby 2 No Trump workshop, so be looking for it. But today we're going to finish our Splinter bid video. Now this is going to take a lot of practice, and I'm actually doing a workshop on Splinter bids next week, so that'll be up on my workshop line, and you can actually go through and test. And this is one of the slides from there to kind of help you out sort this through. So if you remember from yesterday, what we were talking about was you open one of a major, like one heart or one spade, and your partner bids a new suit that is a double jump from the one level of your trump suit. So that bid is called a splinter bid. Shows 10 to 13 high card points, 4 or more of your trumps, and shortness in the suit they jump in. So what do you do after that splinter bid? How do you kind of figure out what that might mean? So here's a couple of examples that we'll walk through. Only going to do a couple. As I said, this is brand new for some of you. I just want you to have a sense of it, and it's going to take some practice. So here we go. So this is your hand, the south hand. If you look, you have 5 spades to the ace king, king and 2 more hearts, jack and 2 more diamonds, and king and a club. You opened a spade, your partner bid 4 clubs. So that 4 club bid was a splinter bid. It said I have 4 or more spades, 10 to 13 high card points, and a singleton or void in clubs, and it won't be the ace of clubs, okay? So how many high card points does South have? South has 14. Pretty nice hand, isn't it? But guess what happened? When partner bid 4 clubs, your king of clubs kind of became what we call a wasted value. It might win a trick, but it's not going to help fill in gaps in the 3 suits that you and your partner both have length in, right? So we call that a wasted value. So what you do is you kind of subtract that wasted value from your hand. So that changes the value of your hand. It takes your 14-point hand and kind of makes it an 11-point hand. So, given that revised high card point, would you have opened a 5-3-3-2 hand with only 11 points? Nah. No. So what should you rebid? You should just bid 4 spades. You should just sign off. Think about what cards responder would have to have. They only have 10 to 13 points, right? And we're going to lose a club trick. They have a club, and we're going to lose a club trick. Now, it's true they could have a void, but don't be counting on that. Think about it as a singleton, okay? Hands with voids don't occur very often. So let's think. We're already losing 1. I couldn't, if I was going to bid higher than game, I couldn't lose any more tricks. So, taking away clubs, what cards do I need my partner to hold so that I don't have any more losers in diamonds, hearts, or spades? Well, I probably need him to have the queen of spades. That's 2 points. And in hearts, the ace and the queen, that's 8. And in diamonds, the ace, the king, and the queen, that's 17. Unless partner has a really hard time counting their points, they're not going to have 17, right? They promised 10 to 13. So it's virtually impossible for my partner to have a hand that is going to allow me to make 6 spades. Remember now, partner had an option if they had a good second suit, 5 card or longer second suit. They could have always bid a really good second suit and then raised me. So when they splinter, they're kind of saying, how does this shortness work with your hand? Okay? Let's do one more. So, let's not do that one. We'll do the next one after that, because we have wasted values on that one. Let's get a good one. Here you go. or feast to famine. This is an excellent. So I'm north and I opened a heart. East passed. And south bid 3 spades. So what did that 3-spade bid tell me? The 3-spade bid said, I have shortness in spades, 0 or 1. It won't be a ace or king. 10 to 13 high card points. And 4 or more hearts. We have 3 little spades. It's over here. King, Jack, 5th of hearts. King, Jack, 3rd of diamonds, and ace and a club. So all told, we have 12 high card points. Do we have any wasted values? No. That 3 small cards is the absolute best thing that you could have when partner splinters. Does that, knowing that partner has a stiff spade, does that help me think that slam might be possible? Well, it should. You should think that slam is possible. So let's think about it. What do you need from partner? We're going to lose a spade, right? So I can think of a hand where a partner could have the ace, queen of hearts, which is 6 points, and the ace, queen, 4th of diamonds. That'd only be 12 points. And if partner had 4 diamonds, I could throw away that little 4 of clubs. There you go. Or what if partner had the ace, queen of hearts, the ace of diamonds, that'd be 10, and the king of clubs. Now I'm on a finesse. So this is a hand worth investigating. So what do you think that you would bid on this hand? What you would bid is 4 clubs. You would Q bid. Remember Q bidding controls? You would Q bid 4 clubs to tell partner, I have no wasted values in spades. So my hand's retained its full value. And hey, slam might be possible. We might be able to do it. And then see what your partner says next. Okay, so that's just 2 samples. The idea is that part of your high card point holding, being in the suits that partner has shown shortness, is not a good thing. Okay, that is just not good for your hand. What you want is to have small cards in the suit that partner has shortness, and length in that suit is better because that's losers that partner can trump for you, right? So I hope you enjoyed hearing a little bit about splinters. You'll see it on BBO if you play Bridge Online. You'll see the robots bid splinters sometimes. And I understand that for some of you this is like, whoa, my head's reeling. But that's okay. You know, you don't have to play everything right away when you first learn it. Of course, you know, when I was growing up, I just tried it all. But at least knowing what other people are doing, or if you're out playing online, what the robots are doing, it's a little more comforting, isn't it? I'll see you on Monday. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.